Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay someone with Venmo. Alright, so let's begin. Let's take a look at how to easily send money to other people using the Venmo app. To get started, first find and open the Venmo app, which will take you to the home screen. To send money, tap the V in the middle of the bottom menu bar, which is the pay or request button. Then search for the person by typing their name, Venmo username, phone number, or email address. If you're right next to the person, you can also use a QR code. Tap scan or show QR code at the top, choose scan code and scan the other person's code to quickly find them. Once you find the correct person, tap on their name. If it's your first time sending them money, Venmo may ask for the last 4 digits of their phone number as a security check. Next, type in the amount of money you want to send. In the message bar below, add a quick note about what the payment is for. After entering the details, tap the pay button. Before sending, check the privacy setting of the payment. For example, you can set it to private, which keeps the transaction visible only to you and the recipient. You can change this by tapping the privacy setting and choosing public, friends, or private. You can also choose where the money will come from. If you have a Venmo balance, it will be used automatically. If your balance isn't enough, Venmo will pull the remaining amount from your linked bank account or debit card, which are typically free options. However, using a credit card will usually include a 3% fee. You'll also see an option called Turn On for Purchases, which is a buyer protection feature. This can be useful when buying something from someone, as it helps if you need to dispute a transaction later. If you're just sending money to a friend, you can leave this turned off. When you're ready, tap pay at the bottom of the screen. Venmo will send the payment and the other person will receive a notification that they've gotten your money, and that's it. This is how you can pay someone with Venmo. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.